I believe I'm half. I definitely believe I have, because now something that they make the man they hide like this, like waiting. Who you they hold, you know? Hello there, my beautiful people. How na day? I hope na day fine. Yes, I'm back again with another video. 2-in-1 video, okay? If you are new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification for more videos. As usual, thumbs this video up if you like them. Thumbs down if you don't like them. Will they take all of them here? Problem no day. Now, first of all, we'll talk about Bobrisky. When I know say Bobrisky try to do BBL. I don't know whether now because say na man, you know, get. I don't know. But Bobrisky BBL recovery can't they be like say na rocky recovery na in day because of her own hospital. But it no stop him from getting up for a papa birthday. Okay, he buy papa SUV and he decide to get up and go present her. But what I they see be say anytime when Bobrisky won't go their side, like family side, Bobrisky will wear this black jalabi and I be this thing. I be waiting. Go don't wear this black thing, put on face cap as if say they banned them from that side to enter as a female. Una they see stuff like that. Not be the first time when Bobrisky they dress like this, they go their side. This is the second and be the third time. Okay. Come like say Bobrisky not feel like na taboo for man to dress like woman for their side. So it is struggle with his personality when it comes to going to their area, like family side to go visit. But he still kind of try to get up and meet up. But just that then they snap and picture, they run from the camera, they come out his face as if he not fine, they comfortable, as if Bobrisky want to crawl out of his skin. Make I just put her like that. He dodge the camera, and we know say Bobrisky na show person. So definitely, if say he lit, una for don't see the videos all over your page, but instead na just the motto when he buy for a papa, now he just put for a page. All the celebration and how people they even they praise them, people they appreciate them. If papa thank you, the videos, and people when they be like say they even do the videos and they put them on social media. If not, probably Bobrisky not ready to even see himself or see any of all this video because he not dressed like the woman when he did comfortable dressing for that particular video. Like, may God not let us reach the situation where we not go day comfortable for our own skin. Say if you dress like the gender where you be, go come they shame you. God forbid Baltimore will not reach that particular stage. But kudos to Bobrisky and say get up from your bed as he not even feel fine to honor your papa birthday and the rest. So moving on to the spilling secret and spilling beans. Secrets. First of all, before we spill secret, who they wear this kind black for marriage? I know say una go say na fashion. Like I don't understand. The thing they confuse me, In fact, when they confuse me for Insta. This Tony Papa burial. Now white now they wear. White lace, which I feel is beautiful. White for burial. Black for marriage. Una they confuse me. Okay, now we will dive right into the video. May anybody not come for me, I will just put this matter the way it dey, like the way it be. Not come ask me how you take no, how you not take no. In fact, for me to even find this picture, I had to look for this particular picture because I know say something like this will definitely dey for internet, which I end up for this lover page for this particular picture. I don't know whether everybody when they talk this matter they lie, but I will just give una the way I take care of. Okay. Now, Tony Lawani new husband, why in the cover his face? Now we want to talk about the secret behind the covering of his face. Now they discover say this guy na married man, not be once married man, because definitely if women go feel married and then your husband no dey treat you well, you come up for your husband house, divorce, and life goes on. I believe say men will feel still give men courtesy then like that without even chasing the women where they end up with. Okay, not be the women where they end up with fault. But the problem is that when your wife is still there as your wife, you can't dey pick another one on top, and now the matter don't they like, okay, what do you want this one for? Because definitely men that they get reason why they want different wife. This my first wife, she they talk to me the way they like, crazily reasons. But men when they get many wives, they like that they feel they differentiate why I like this one and why I like this one and stuff like that. And una know that one. So definitely now for the reason why this might end up with Tony, where you never finish with your wife, like why you marry your wife and why you marry Tony. The thing they somehow. Okay, now the man wife they for Port Harcourt with children, and the man they for Port Harcourt before, but the hustling is real for Port Harcourt. Stuff no they work at, things no they work at for the man for Port Harcourt. So when he get the opportunity to work for Tiana, he had to relocate. He no go fit the from Lagos to Port Harcourt every time like that. So he had to day for Lagos, they work for Tiana, and he don't they work for Tiana for long. All those art pictures the way go be like say now later to be the cloth what she wear for body. Most of the picture now the man and the do am. Okay, this her current husband as per now. The man been the work for him before they can end up. And as per now, only the video of her marriage self, you go know say it's like she's pregnant, because definitely Tony belly na flat belly. Even though I say the cloth idea na make the pregnancy not show, you go see and say it's like she's pregnant currently now for this her new husband. And the new husband get family for her side. When I remember the time when he be like say Tony they want put that cap. For Igbo tradition, the ladies, if they don't finish their bride price, now to show everybody saying that your husband be this, you have to take your drink, find the man, go kneel down, give the man drink, make a drink from you. They're gonna say yes, now the man will you choose above all others be this Igbo tradition. Now Yoruba side is like now the cap. Okay, so you don't dance with the cap, you reach front of the man in kneel down to wear the man the cap. I will put the video here should in case most of them don't even know what they talk about. When you want to put the man the cap, definitely they will capture that that moment. They need to snap the moment or video the moment, and then this man para say that they snap and picture when he never ready. We say the mask is not on, so that they snap and public picture. So the man in kind of para now, because they told you they for a front. If not, it's like the man won't forget say na in marriage and para, because say the snappy picture where you never wear your mask. Now what is the man they try to avoid? Definitely, because that marriage now bring the man leg out all the more. His face can't really show for the marriage, and as his face show comes a marriage story. Nigeria. So come in marriage story, and then know say this man get 2 children with wife for Port Harcourt. Now work now go work for Tony Lawani when he end up being her husband. So me, this is not me judging. I just feel say finish one, not be bad thing if you decide to move on. Okay, not be bad thing, but it's better for you to finish one. You are done and dusted from this marriage, and then you start another family. How the woman go feel now if you feel say the husband they work for Tony Lawani, and then marriage boom on social media, pregnancy self you don't already get belle. How you want to wrap your head around marriage like this if you be the woman at this point? Drop your comment down below what you they think. Here I know what they think, but if I talk now they go say blah, 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 blah. I will see you now for my next video. Bye.